the concrete, I'd like to put a brace on there. Keep the outlet flat. Brace there, get it up in the right. Also, I find this helpful when we're pumping concrete. Stakes on the back side of the plant, because the way the hydraulics kick, it always pushes the hoses back towards the pump because the concrete's coming out the other end. Another stake. Cold morning, so they had it heated. Heater and had blankets on it. 20 something degrees when we got started. We got a little turn down footer.